Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on OPPO A6 Pro. Alright, so let's begin. But before we open up our WhatsApp, we need to open up our settings. Now, once we are here, we need to scroll down all the way until we find the Google. And in here, we need to make sure that we are logged into the same Google account on which we made the backup before, because if you'll be logged into wrong account, you won't have possibility to restore your chats. So have that in mind and make sure that you're logged into proper account. Now we can open up our WhatsApp. Alright, as you can see, the app welcomes us. We need to select our language and click on agree and continue. We can click on allow to send us the notifications, and now in that place we need to type our phone number. You can always click on what's my number, then click on continue, click on allow, and it will be automatically copied. Then click on use, click on next. And now we also need to verify this phone number using one of the two methods. We have the code from the SMS message or missed call function. I always prefer the second one because in my opinion it simply works much faster and it's more comfortable. You can see that it's automatically selected. So I want to click on continue. If you want to verify another way, simply click on the button below. Now click on allow. We need to wait a little bit. Everything will be done automatically. Okay, it's verifying. Okay, verified. Now, contacts and media. We need to click on continue. Now allow for everything that pops out. Okay, and now select restore from backup. Click on continue. And now the restoring process has started. So we just need to simply wait until it's finished. In my case, it won't take long because I don't have many messages. So it won't last long. Alright, 13 messages restored. Click on next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo if you are interested. Then click on next. And now as you take a look, all of the messages, including videos, photos, and normal messages, has been successfully restored. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.